for visiting Nevada.
Here we are.
Death Valley National Park. There's Death Valley in front of us. It's dead until going in that direction too. Feet below sea level. Man, look at that. This rock.
— 17 miles.
Yep. Badwater.
We're at sea level right now.
Yeah. Sea level, and now down we go. Driving under the ocean. Okay, Badwater, 17 miles. I don't know if we're gonna go the whole way, but yeah, look at the ground. It's just rock. Whatever plant life is there, it's brown and looks dead. This is the cool time of year. January 15th, 2022. We can have flash floods here in the next 55 miles, it said. Next service is a 72 miles. I'm driving by Golden Canyon. There's a walk. You can see the path over there, kind of. We'll just look at it instead of driving by. Looks like a trail over there, I think. There's a bunch of cars parked back there, but I don't see anybody walking on the trail this far. Huh. We are arriving to Badwater. There's the sign right there. Man, look at this rock everywhere. Yeah, popular place. A good parking spot now. Well, this is it. Badwater, Death Valley. Really popular place, obviously. You wonder why? This is the lowest point in North America. 282 feet below sea level. Oh my gosh. I got a, whew, there's a sneeze. This is what it looks like right here. There's the sun. Man alive, it's just rock out here. And we have got some plants here. I don't know if they're ever green or not, but oh, it's amazing. Gonna be walking out there. That's white over there is salt. So, oh man, I gotta head over there now. Welcome to Badwater Basin. I'm gonna sit back there. You know, I'm gonna get my phone out and do a selfie. I gotta get that over my shoulder. All right, there it is. Welcome to Badwater Basin. This is 282 feet below sea level. I'm going to be walking out there. Oh, and I see up there, there's a point of reference up above. There's the sign that says sea level. Way up that cliff there. Just for reference. Okay, heading down the trail. Badwater pool. It's amazing. Right there is water. Oh. Water is rare and precious in Death Valley. Hmm. Wow. A surveyor mapping the area could not get his mule to drink from this pool. He wrote on his map the bring of Badwater. My name stuck. But there's Badwater pool. Water here at Death Valley. I better get the phone out and get a closer, I can zoom in with that. One thing I want to look at, see the white? That's all the salt. Cool. Okay, there's Badwater pool. Take a closer look at it now. This is water. A pool of water. 282 feet below sea level. Badwater pool, Death Valley National Park. Fascinating. Look over here, lighting's better. Amazing. Of course, the salt.
Has a long-standing blog.
Man, alive. all salt. Got plenty of salt around here. We're going way out onto the salt flats here. And the parking area's that way. Just want to take a quick look around here at Badwater Basin, 282 feet below sea level. Death Valley National Park. I don't think I'll go much further than here. I'm going to take my phone out and do a selfie video here. I have to do that from here. Alright, here I am. Badwater Basin, Death Valley National Park, 282 feet below sea level. Get do a little 360 around here. You see me here. Man alive, it's just salt. Really nice day today. Got a nice cool breeze actually. Okay, let's go around look. That's where we came from. The parking area is way back there. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take and flip this around again and I'm going to show you something. Okay, yesterday we were up at the highest point at Dante's View. This is up there. Today we're at the lowest point. I'm not probably gonna get the exact precise place, but we were somewhere up there. When I get zoomed in too far, I won't. But through the binoculars, I did see a couple of people up there, figures, barely with that even. But anyways, that's Dante's View up there. Move right over here and zoom in again. And that's where we walked from. We parked somewhere over there. But there we go. Think we've gone far enough out?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm ready to head back. The view doesn't change any as we go further in, so or further out, I should say.
I'm sure the salt out there will taste the same as the salt that
Yep.
I ate over here. So.
Yeah. Okay, we're heading back to the car. There's a few more places we want to take a look at here. No, not far now. Really something because that land that's up to there is like 1 mile above us. That point up there. One last look at Badwater Pool over there. So we're leaving. There's some vegetation here too. There it is.